Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off Dolby Atmos in our Samsung S22. Where to look for our Dolby Atmos sound in Samsung S22. First, we have to go to settings, of course, then under sounds and vibrations. When we scroll all the way down, we have sound quality and effects. And here at the top, we have Dolby Atmos. It's still on right now. We can change a few options here. For example, we can only have the sound with movies, music, voice, or we can leave it at auto. But we want to turn it off, so simply uncheck this little box and that's it. No need to save, nothing. Our Dolby Atmos is turned off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.